My name's Jack and I'm going to show you how to make mashed potatoes. The ingredients needed for mashed potatoes are 5 pounds of potatoes. I used half red potatoes and half russet potatoes. And you also need 2 cloves of garlic, a half a cup of cream cheese, a cup of whole milk, chives, butter, and salt. The tools needed are a potato peeler, potato masher, a garlic press, and a pot. The first step is to peel the potatoes. You can peel your potatoes over a trash can or a bowl. If your arms get tired, you can call in an assistant. It's okay to leave some skin on the potato, just make sure to get most of it off. Also, make sure not to cut yourself. Step 2. Once you've peeled all of your potatoes, cut your potatoes into evenly sized chunks, about 1 inch big. Make sure not to cut your fingers. You can cut these big chunks into smaller chunks and leave this chunk, not this one, leave like this chunk together. Then slowly put them in cold water. Don't let them splash. The next step is to press and prepare the garlic. So you put it in there, and then you press it like this. And you cut it off with a knife. Once you have cut and put all the potatoes in the pot, put your 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of salt, and then turn on the stove to high for 10 to 12 minutes. While your potatoes are boiling, you're gonna add butter into a pot. You can use as much butter as you want. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 cup of whole milk, and then stir until the butter has melted, then set aside. Next, you can drain the potatoes and return them into the pot. Then, mash the potatoes. Again, if it gets too tiring, you can call in assistance. Next, you're gonna pour the cream cheese in here. Might need to use big spatula or something. Then, add your butter mixture. And add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then mix. Once your potatoes are ready, you can top them with chives. That's delicious. This is a perfect side dish for Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching.